Hello everyone, good time. Let's crochet this beautiful hat. It's super simple, easy, and so warm. This is the inside. Let's start. To begin, make a slip knot and start chaining. I'm making this hat for a 1-year-old baby. The head height measurement for this size is about 16 centimeters, and since I'm starting from the side, so I need to have the head height measurement. Look at this one. I've started making this hat from this side, and since I'm going to fold it like this way, then I need to make my base chains more. As I said before, the height for a 1-year-old baby to 2-year-old baby is about 16.5 centimeters. So I add more centimeters, about 9 centimeters, and I make my base chains for 25 centimeters. Yes, 25 centimeters for the base chains. So I start making my chains and I continue. I'm just making chains until I reach 26 centimeters. I have my 25 centimeters of chains and about 52 chains. I've made 52 chains, 25 centimeters. Skip the first chain. Make a slip stitch into the second chain. Slip stitch into the third chain. And slip stitch in next one. In fact, I have 3 slip stitches here. 1, 2, 3. Now I need to have 3 single crochet. 1 single crochet next, 1 single crochet next, and 1 in next. For the remaining chains, I'm putting 1 half double crochet in each. Half double crochet in next chain, and I repeat this pattern by the end of row. 1 half double crochet into each chain. After finishing the first row, measure it again to see if it's still the same size. Yes, it's about 25 centimeters. The head size is about 16.5 millimeter, and the rest will be folded up. It's going to be like this. Okay. For round 2, chain 2, turn. In this row and next rows, I'm using the back loop only. Each stage has 2 loops. One loop is in front of me, the front loop, but I'm using the back loops only. So Make your stitches in back loops. Make half double crochet into each stitch, back loop, then make one half double crochet in each stitch until you reach the last 6 stitches. I've reached my last 6 stitches. In next 3 stitches, make one single crochet. 1, 2, 3. And in last 3 stitches, make one slip stitch. Slip it at this side. Yes. And I'm using still the back loops. And the last one, it's a bit difficult. Done. Chain 1, turn, round 3. For the first 3 stitches, make slip stitch. Back loops only 1, 2, and 3. And now I'm having 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Make one half double crochet in each stitch by the end of the row. So use this pattern for the other rows too. When you are here, chain 2 and turn. Make one half double crochet in each stitch until you reach the last 6 stitches. Here you should make 3 single crochet and then you should make 3 slip stitches, then chain 1, turn and repeat. So continue until you reach the head circumference measurement. The head circumference for a 1-year-old baby was about 43 centimeters. I made about 43 centimeters and I'm measuring my head. It's about 21.5. So 21.5 multiplied by 2, it's about 43 centimeters. I mean, the general size is 43 centimeters. So this is enough. And now I have to join 2 sides together. To join the 2 sides, fold the hat and put the 2 sides next to each other. Okay. This is my last row. Insert the hook into the back loop of the first stitch. This way. And this is the first round we started, and here are the chains we made at the beginning of the work. Insert the hook into the first chain. Yarn over, pull it through 3 loops on my hook. Okay, insert the hook into the next stitch, back loop, into the front chain, and make a slip stitch. Next stitch, back loop, the front loop or chain, and join with the slip stitch. And repeat this pattern by the end until you reach here. After joining, cut the yarn a bit younger for sewing reasons. And use a needle. Okay, the hat is over. This is the inside. It's super warm and so cute. Hope you like this pattern and enjoy this tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe. Happy crochet!